10. Now the 10 is totally different to the 60 in the way that it performs and what it does. The thing about the 60 is it's very, very thick. 10 is not, it's the opposite. It's very, very thin. So when you undo the 10, you have to be very careful with the 10 because it will run. Okay, this is a brand new one. So when you first open it and you send it out, the white comes out on its own. It does tell you on the tube, you must dispense with that and not use it. And it keeps running. And the other thing you'll notice with the 10 is it smells. It's quite a potent smell to it. Okay, with the 10, I don't need a lot of it. But what you must do is, if I can find my top, where I put my top, get it off quickly, get your top on. And mix. Now you only have about 5 minutes working time with this. So you have to use this very, very stingently. Don't mix up a lot in one go. And make sure that once you've mixed it, you spread it out thin. As thin as you can spread it out, spread it out. Because if you don't, it will go off very, very quickly. Okay, so we spread it out. And all we need with this is about 2 mil on, and you don't need to force it. All you need to do is just literally push the two together and leave it. Now that will be fully cured in 1 hour. And I'll show you how quick it'll go off, because I'll take this now. Clean up and put in all this into a bowl. Minute, 1/4 and within 3 to 4 minutes that'll start to go off. It gets very hot. That's the epoxy working. Again, clean up after you. So if you're doing a splice, only make up as much as you can for one splice. And you're better off, if you're doing splicing, you're better off doing it in smaller pieces rather than trying to do a very large one and trying to put this on a very large splice. If you tried it on a very large splice, by the time you get to the one end, it will have gone off. So, small splice, do them in joints. You feel it now, that's already...
Yeah, it's going, you can feel the heat on it
feel
as well.
the heat?
Yeah, you can feel it.
Put your hand under there now.
Yeah.
Yeah? But this one,
that will take
if I go like this now, this is still tacky, look.